Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. With just 1 cup of poha, you can make a very tasty, very crispy snack poha cutlets. These cutlets are super simple to prepare, yet are very tasty, very delicious and are too tempting to resist. So let's quickly see how to prepare this very easy snack recipe today. Firstly, we'll take 100 grams of poha. We'll wash it. We'll wash it once and then we'll discard this extra water. Into this we'll add 2 teaspoons of water and we'll just allow the poha to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes then we'll mash poha. Just like this, you can even use a potato masher, but after soaking the poha becomes very soft, so it is easy to mash it. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder. This is the dhania powder. To this we'll also add chopped green chilies. If you are making these cutlets for kids, then you can avoid adding green chilies. We'll just combine everything well. To make our cutlet crispy, we are adding sliced onion into it. I will add half a cup of onions. And then to make our cutlets more healthy, I am adding half a cup of spring onions. I have simply chopped spring onions. And I'll also be using chopped spinach. If spinach is not available, then you can use methi leaves or coriander leaves. It's time to add seasoning. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of Amchur powder or the dry mango powder, 1 teaspoonful of salt, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and into this we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Now again we'll combine everything together. This is a very healthy snack which we are preparing today. You can make it any time during the day, for breakfast, for tea time snack. And now to bind our mixture, we are using half a cup of rice flour or chawal ka atta, but do not add rice flour in one go. Just add it little, combine it well, and then add the rest of the flour. Rice flour will make our cutlets more crispy. If rice flour is not available, then you can even use gram flour or besan. Just continue to add small batches of flour in this poha cutlet mixture. If the flour is added in one go, then there are chances of lump formation, so we need to avoid that. Now add little more water to it so that we are able to prepare dough. You can see the mixture is now able to hold the shape. So it is perfect now. It's time to prepare our cutlets. Now you can prepare the cutlets in any desired shape. However, we are making simple circular cutlets today. Take a small portion of this mixture and roll it like a ball. Press it gently, and this is how we'll prepare all the cutlets. So friends, we have prepared all these poha cutlets. Now we'll be shallow frying it. You can even deep fry these cutlets. I have already kept oil for heating, and now we'll shallow fry all our cutlets. We need to fry the cutlets until it turns brown from one side, and then we'll flip it over. And now we'll cook the cutlets from other side until it becomes absolutely crisp. And these are done. Our hot crispy poha cutlets are ready to serve. These are absolutely crisp and super yummy to taste. Friends, let's quickly serve these hot yummy poha cutlets. So friends, our hot crispy poha cutlets are ready to serve. These cutlets you can serve with green chutney, tomato ketchup and any other dip of your choice. Have a look at these cutlets. They look so tempting, so crispy. Let me show you the sound of one of the cutlet and you will get to know how crisp are these. You can hear that sound. So these cutlets turn out to be very crispy because we have used rice flour along with poha. So friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll really like it. Wow. A perfect tea time snack. Do try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll really like it. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.